We're back! Spring has sprung in New England and Wicked Smart Gardening is back. Ready to start a garden or level up your skills? I've got you covered with practical, no-nonsense tips to help you grow more no matter your space or schedule. I've been gardening my whole life, sharing tons of advice with friends, and now I'm bringing it to you. My videos are organized into 4 easy sections so that you can find exactly what you need and fast. 1, a getting started section, perfect for beginners and those looking to improve. 2, a month-by-month guide. Stay on track with what you need to do each month. 3, a topics and techniques section covering topics like composting, seed starting, and more. And 4, by vegetable and flower. Grow what you love with step-by-step guides. Now, new videos drop about once a week, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing, and let's grow something amazing together. Don't settle for store-bought veggies because you can do way better with Wicked Smart Gardening. Thanks for watching, and let's dig in.